Hey, how's it going? My name's Michael Johnson. I'm going to go over the week 5 menu app. Um, all right. Okay. All right. So up here we have our class. I called it car. This allows me to take the name of the car and the style of the car. So the input or parameter name, the input parameter style, when those are entered in, it's going to be the output for the constructor. We got a quick description. The name of this car is the name, and the name of the style is the name. And then we have a class called lot selection. So this right here just kind of allows you to take in cars right here. So we have it's going to take a name, and it's going to that empty array is going to keep track of the cars here on line 18, right? Uh, Right here, we have a add car method in here. It's going to take the car and we're going to validate it. If it's a car, we're going to push that car onto the cars array. If it's not a car, the program will throw an error. So I guess that would be like if we were to enter a number or something other than, a string. And right here, we have a class menu. That's just going to take our my car lot. It's going to take my car lot names and it's going to collect an array of them. And then on line 35, the selected lot, that's going to set it to null, which the gentleman said on the video, it allows us to just look at one specific car at a time. And then we have a start menu. So we're going to let the selection of the start menu equal the function show main. And then it just says, while selection is not zero, we're going to go to the cases, either create a lot, view a lot, delete a lot, or display a lot. And then we're always going to set the selection to zero starting out. And then selection is equal to show main. So, and then once we cancel the app, it's going to say, hey, application's been terminated. And right here, my show main menu props will pretty much be, car location tracker menu, 0 for exit, build a lot for 1, view a lot for 2, delete a lot for 3, and display all the lots here. Then we have a sub menu for when we select view a lot, and then we want to input a car or delete a car. And we have a display lot function here, and it's just pretty much a let string be an empty string, and then we're going to loop through the lot selection. So that's going to like allow us to go through all the lots, and then we're going to right here, 1 second. Yeah, so for the display lots, we're going to set the string to an empty string. We're going to loop through all the lot selections, the length of the cars there, and then we're going to return the string with a parentheses and the specific uh, selected lot in the name of the lot. All right, and it's just pretty much going to alert the string of what we want to return there. Then right here, we have a create lot. It's going to have a prompt come up, enter name of lot. And then we're going to pretty much push the new name um, of the lots onto that array. Right, right here. And then we have view lots. Let's see, view lot. We have view lot. So right here, set the index prompt, enter lot number, and then we're just going to validate that if index is less than -1, is greater than -1, and less than the length of the lot selections, then we're going to make that selection that the user choose, and we're going to equal it to the corresponding index there. And we're going to display that index, of course. All right, and then it just says description is lot name and this selected lot name. And then we're going to loop through all the cars, the length of the cars array uh, right here. And then just pretty much right here, pretty much we'll have a sub menu after view lots. The sub menu will allow us to create a car and delete a car. And the deleted car will take a prompt, enter index of lot to delete. And then we're going to validate that if index is greater than -1 and less than the lot selection dot length. And then we're just going to take this lot selection and we're going to splice out the first delete lot. We're going to slice out, or excuse me, not the first. We're going to splice out just one. So it's going to be the one we select, the index we select, just one car that will, or one lot that will delete. I apologize. All right. Then we're going to create a car. It's going to take two prompts, enter the name of car, and it's going to prompt us to enter the style of the car. And then it's going to go back to our cars array, and it's going to push a name and a style onto the selected lots array. So we're going to create car, the class of car is going to take the name and style and then push it onto the cars array. And then we're going to delete a car. It's going to take a prompt, enter index to delete. We're going to validate that. And then it's going to select the specific car and it's going to take the index that we give it and it's going to remove one character. All right. And then right here, we're just going to check functionality of our app right here. So we'll enter 0. Okay, application terminated. We'll refresh it real quick. We'll go build a lot. All right, I'll just type in West. Okay, and we're gonna view that lot too. We're gonna enter the lot number index 01, and we're gonna create a car. All right, let's go Honda and CRV. All right, then we're gonna build another lot. Let's go East. All right, let's view display all lots. Okay, East West. And then let's view that lot 0. And let's delete this Honda that we created. So we'll enter 2. All right, then the index of the car, and then we're going to enter 0. All right, then we're going to go view that lot again, enter lot number 0. And then, all right, there we go. So everything's working fine. All right, so let's go back and let's exit out. Thank you. My name is Michael Johnson, and I learned a lot. Bye.